वासुदेवाय ॐ नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th canto, chapter 5, Lord Rishabhadev's teachings. Today, text 24. Dhrita tanur usati me purani yena iha sattvam paramam pavitram samo दमः सत्यम अनुग्रहस् च तपस् तितिक्षा अनुभवस् च यत्र धृता तनुर उसति मे पुराणी येनेह सत्वं परमं पवित्रम्। समो दमः सत्यम् अनुग्रहश्च तपस्तितिक्षानुभवश्च यत्र धृता तनुरुसति मे पुराणी येनेह सत्वं परमं पवित्रम्। समो दमः सत्यम् अनुग्रहश्च तपस्तितिक्षानुभवश्च यत्र धृता तनुरुसति मे पुराणी येनेह सत्वं परमं पवित्रम्। समो दमः सत्यम् अनुग्रहश्च तपस्तितिक्षानुभवश्च यत्र धृता तनुरुसति मे पुराणी येनेह सत्वं परमं पवित्रम्। समोदमः सत्यम् अनुग्रहश्च तपस्तितिक्षानुभवश्च यत्र धृतातनुर्सति मे पुराणी येनेह सत्त्वं परमं पवित्रम् समोदमः सत्यम् अनुग्रहश्च तपस्तितिक्षानुभवश्च यत्र. Mothers, धृतातनुर्सति मे पुराणी येनेह सत्त्वं परमं पवित्रम् समोदमः सत्यम् अनुग्रहश्च तपस्तितिक्षानुभवश्च यत्र. Word meaning. Word meaning. Dhrita, maintained by transcendental education. Tanuhu, body. Usati, free from material contamination. Me, my. Purani, eternal. Yena, by whom. Iha, in this material world. Sattvam, the mode of goodness. Paramam, supreme. Pavitram, purified. Samaha, control of the mind. Damaha, control of the senses. Satyam, truthfulness. Anugraha, mercy. Cha, end. Tapaha, austerity. Titikya, tolerance. Anubhavaha, realization of God and the living entity. Cha, end. Yatra, wherein. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Abhay Charana Arvinda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation. The Vedas are my eternal transcendental sound incarnation. Therefore, the Vedas are Sabda Brahma. In this world, the Brahmanas thoroughly study all the Vedas, and because they assimilate the Vedic conclusions, they are also to be considered the Vedas personified. The Brahmanas are situated in the supreme transcendental mode of nature, Sattva-guna. Because of this, they are fixed in mind control, Sama, sense control, Dama, and truthfulness, Satya. They describe the Vedas in their original sense, and out of mercy, Anugraha, they preach the purpose of the Vedas to all conditioned souls. They practice penance, tapasya, and tolerance, titikya, and they realize the position of the living entity and the Supreme Lord, Anubhava. These are the 8 qualifications of a Brahmanas. Therefore, among all living entities, no one is superior to the Brahmanas. Purport. This is a true description of a Brahmana. A Brahmana is one who has assimilated the Vedic conclusions by practicing mind and sense control. He speaks the true version of all the Vedas. as confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita 15, chapter 15th verse, Vedaischa sarvair ahameva vedyah. By studying all the Vedas, one should come to understand the transcendental position of Lord Sri Krishna. One who actually assimilated the essence of the Vedas can preach the truth. He is compassionate to conditioned souls who are suffering the threefold miseries of this conditioned life in conditional world due to their not being Krishna conscious. A Brahmana should take pity on the people and preach Krishna consciousness in order to elevate them. Sri Krishna himself, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, personally descends into this universe from the spiritual kingdom to teach conditioned souls about the values of spiritual life. He tries to induce them to surrender unto him. Similarly, the Brahmanas do the same thing. After assimilating the Vedic instructions, they assist the Supreme Lord in his endeavor to deliver conditioned souls. The Brahmanas are very dear to Supreme Lord due to their high sattva guna qualities, and they also engage in welfare activities of all conditioned souls in the material world. Om Ajnanati Mirandhasya Jnananjana Shailakaya Chakhyurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam. Vande Aham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanitantang Sajivam Sadvaitam Saavadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Visakhanitamscha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatarine. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratise Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Haripriye. Vancha Kalpatarubhescha Kripa Sindhubhevacha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. धृता तनुर उसती में पुराणी येनेह सत्वम परमं पवित्रम समो दमः सत्यम अनुग्रहश्च तपस्तितिख्या अनुभवश्च यथा अनुभवश्च यत्र. The Vedas are my eternal transcendental sound incarnation. Therefore, the Vedas are Sabda Brahma. In this world, the Brahmanas thoroughly study all the Vedas, and because they assimilate the Vedic conclusions, they are also to be considered the Vedas personified. The Brahmanas are situated in the supreme transcendental mode of nature, Sattva-guna. Because of this, they are fixed in mind control, Sama, sense control, Dhamma, truthfulness, Satya. They describe the Vedas in their original sense, and out of mercy, Anugraha, they preach the purpose of the Vedas to all conditioned souls. They practice penance, tapasya, and tolerance, titiksha, and they realize the position of the living entity and the Supreme Lord, Anubhava. These are the 8 qualifications of Brahmana. Therefore, among all the living entities, no one is superior to Brahmanas. So, here is Lord Rishabhdev teaching to his sons, headed by Bharat Maharaj. There are 100 sons of Rishabhdev, and previous verse, specifically verse 22 and 23, these 2 verse is specifically deals with glorifying the Brahmanas. Brahmanas were, in the previous verses mentioned that Brahmanas are known as Dijo Deva Deva, the worshipper of, because Lord himself is known as worshipper of the Brahmanas or the Lord of the Brahmanas. 2 meaning. Either is a, because Lord always known as Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmanya Hitaya Cha Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah. Lord Govinda or Krishna is always known as protector of cows and Brahmanas. That's why Lord is known as also Lord of the Brahmanas. Same time he is also worshipper of Brahmanas. Sometimes we see how in Dwaraka Sudama Vipra, Sudama Brahmana, he visited the Lord and Lord worshipped Sudama Brahmana. Similarly, Narad Muni also time to time appeared in Dwaraka and different places, and Lord also worshipped him. But same times, Narada Muni also, all the Brahmanas, they know that their worshipable Lord is Lord Sri Krishna. So, but these verses particularly starting from 24th and forthcoming verses like 25th, 26th and 27. In 4 verses, why Brahmanas are so dear to Krishna, the reason is given, or what are the specific qualifications of Brahmanas. Shri Gaur Nitai ki jai, Krishna Balaram ki Radha Shyam. Just like someone born in a Brahmana family, then he became a Brahmana. That is not the proper way to know who is Brahmana and who is not Brahmana. Only son of a Brahmana can become Brahmana. That's why Lord Rishabhdev giving the qualification, describing the qualification of Brahmanas. Why the Brahmanas are so dear to Krishna? So specifically verse 24, starting from 24th to 27, 4 verses is describing about the qualification of a Brahmana. Who is a Brahmana? One time there was a great debate in West Bengal, in Medinipur district, and there are many Smarta Brahmanas, they are assembled together, and they were thinking the Brahmanas are better than Vaishnavas, even those who are accepting Vaishnava gurus and known as Vaishnavas, but those are Brahmanas, they are even higher than Vaishnavas. So there was a great debate. And from Vaishnava sides many scholars are there, and Brahmanas also many, they have many scholars, Vedic scholars. And His Divine Grace Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur also present, was there in that assembly. And when he get the chance for speaking, first he glorified Brahmana just like Rishabhdev. He glorified Brahmanas in previous 2 verses. He glorified Brahmanas like anything. Brahmanas, no one can be comparable to Brahmanas. Even Lord himself, he worshipped Brahmanas like that. Similarly also, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he glorified Brahmanas like anything. Half of his lecture he simply glorified Brahmanas. No one is dear to Brahmanas. Brahmanas are Dija Deva Deva, they are Namava, very dear to Krishna. And even Krishna himself worshipped Brahmanas like that. So Brahmanas just clapping and telling what a very wonderful person. Actually, where is he is coming to speech for in favor of Vaishnavas, but he is glorifying Brahmanas. They all become very happy. But in second part of his lecture, he spoke about who is Brahmana. Similarly, we see here also Rushabdev, after glorifying Brahmanas in previous 2 verses, 23rd and 24th, sorry, 22nd and 23rd, then in 24th, starting from this verse, he is telling who is Brahmana, why Brahmanas are dear to Krishna. Not simply someone born in a Brahmana family, then he is dear to Krishna. Not like that. Krishna also told in Gita, Chaturvarna Maya Sushta Guna Karma Vibhagasaha, according to quality and activities. Then one can be known who is Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya or Sudra. So here is, in this verse specifically, 8 qualities of Brahmanas are described. And again, other verses also, other qualities are described. Brahmanas are Niskinchana, Brahmanas are very merciful to conditioned souls, like that. In previous verses also, 25, 26, 27, also the qualification of Brahmanas are mentioned. But particularly in this verse, there is 8 qualities as mentioned. Who is a Brahmana? Why Brahmanas are situated in supreme transcendental mode of nature? They are in Sattva-guna. Brahmanas are always in mood of goodness. That is the first quality of a Brahmana. Brahmana must be in mood of goodness, not in passion or ignorance. Brahmanas are in mood of goodness. That's why they are always engaged in studying Vedas and Vedic literatures. Swadhyaya, Jajan, these 6 activities of a Brahmana. Jajana, Jajana, Patana, Patana, Dana, Pratigraha. Jajana means he performs yajnas and he also teaches others how to perform yajna. So in this Kali Yuga, what is yajna? In Kali Yuga there is only Sankirtana yajna. Krishna Varna Tisa Krishnam Sangha Pangadi Parsadam Jagye Sankirtanar Prayar Jajantihi Sumedhasa. Who is most intelligent person in this age of Kali, they accepted this Sankirtana Yajna that is preached by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or started by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he always did Sankirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. That is Yajna. He himself performs Sankirtana Yajna and teaches others Sankirtana Yajna. That is Jajana Jajana. There is some Karmakani Yajnas also and other Yajnas. But they are not recommended for this age. For this age there is only Sankirtana Yajna. Hare Ranama, Hare Ranama, Hare Ranamaiva Kevalam, Kalau Nasteiva, Gatiranyatha. This is Yajna, Sankirtana Yajna. Jajan, Pathan. And Brahman always engaged in studying Vedic literatures. He don't do prajalpa, don't talk to others, mundane things, criticizing someone, talking nonsense about sanskar, not like that. Brahman is always talk about Krishna. He engaged in studying analytically Vedic literatures. Patana and Patana. Patana means he also teaches the same thing. What he learned from the Vedic literatures, then he also teaches the same knowledge to others. Dana Pratigraha. Brahmanas accept charity. That is Brahmanas. Anyone gives some charity to Brahmana, Brahmana immediately accept the charity. But what will do that with that charity? Pratigraha. He will give everything in charity to in Krishna's service. He don't stock anything. Practically, Brahmana have no bank balance. Brahmana did not keep any stock for future. Even they don't think about the next day. They completely depend upon Krishna. That is real Brahmana. So here is the verse is telling the first, that is the first quality of a Brahmana. He is a mood of goodness, Sattva Guna. Because of this, they are fixed, because they are always engaged like this, that's why they are Sama. Sama means control of mind. Their minds are under complete control. Like also in a Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter, Krishna also telling about, he also told about qualification of a Brahmana. Sama, Dama, Tapaha, Saucha, Khanti, Arjavayavacha, Jnana, Vijnana, Astikyan, Brahma Karma, Svabhajam. And this is the qualities. There is 9 qualities are explained by Krishna in Gita, and here is 8 qualities, and other qualities are in forthcoming.